Hello, my lovely family out there. How are you doing? Oh, I wish you happy Mother's Day too. On today's recipe is very quick and sharp. Bread toast breakfast in bed. You can surprise your mother, your wife in bed with this simple and delicious toast breakfast. So if today is the first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button, share, like and comment. The subscribe is for free. They don't charge anything. It's for free. If you subscribe too, you'll be the first person to see my video whenever I upload. So let's go on with our recipe for today. Before that, let's see our ingredients, what we are going to be needed. We have our sliced bread, mayonnaise, eggs, butter, sausage, bacon. We have different type of bacon. This in Italy we call it Mortadella, and this we call it Prosciutto COTTO. We have our salt to taste, ketchup, our spring onions, and then our cheese. So it's very simple. Have you seen? It's 3 types of toast bread. Look at that. Very small ingredient that we're going to use. It doesn't cost much. So let's go on. So we are starting our first bread toast. We are using 3 eggs with the first one. And a little bit of salt to taste. Just a little one. Then you mix it together and whisk it. This one we call it egg and prosciutto toast. Egg and prosciutto toast. It's ready. So let's on our fire. We have on our fire. Let's put our butter inside for it to melt before we use it. That's what we're going to use it to fry our egg. Our egg inside. We are going to turn it to flour. Very simple recipe. We are adding our cheese on top of it. One side and one side too with your prosciutto COTTO. You add your ketchup to it. Then you turn it again like this. We are done. This is how our first toast look like. So right now we are going to do the second one too. The same method, 3 eggs. Very simple. Use this recipe to surprise your wife. A little bit of salt. Then you whisk it. Sorry. So this is the second recipe. It's very simple, the same as the first one, but what we are going to put inside the bread is different. Very different. We are adding our eggs. Same thing process that you use it to do the first one. First soak the bread inside the egg, then you leave it. Okay. This time we are springing the spring onions inside of the egg. I have turned it. We are doing the same process. Okay. Add your cheese. This time mortadella. Then you spring a little bit of your mortadella or bacon, a little bit of your strawberry, just 1 tablespoon. Then you turn it again. Side too and see. Okay, it's okay. So we are finished with the second one. So we are on with the third recipe. This one is sausage toast. We first cut our sausage into pieces. Bread, we are going to make a hole inside our bread. This nice one. Just cut the middle one. Then you remove it from it. Very simple. Finish. This time we are using 2 eggs for this recipe. You whisk it. You're going to mix it, everything together. You are have to let the butter to be melt, everything to be melt before you put your bread inside. Then you put your bread inside. Arrange your sausage. Let's pour our egg inside. You add your cheese, a little bit of your ketchup, mayonnaise, just a little bit. Then you put your bread inside. And let's turn it. How beautiful it is. This is our third recipe for today. Hello guys, that's our recipe for today. Just look at it. You just use this recipe to surprise your wife in bed, and she's going to love you more and more. If today is the first time of watching my video, as I said it earlier, don't forget or don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Like, share and comment. Happy Mother's Day to you all. Bye bye.